Welcome to the channel, folks. Moneystream, aka moneystream.com.au. Hope you're all fit and well, gearing up for Christmas for those who celebrate it, coming up in just under 2 weeks now. We're going to be talking about some condominiums coming up for sale in KATHU, located in the centre of beautiful Phuket Island. KATHU is a district which is conveniently located area for schooling, shopping, and also easy access. Lots of hospitals in Phuket. This particular condo development coming for completion in 2025. You've got schools all within 15 minutes reach. You've got the KATHU International School, Head Start International School, the British International School and Finway International School. Shopping centre within 15 minutes. You can reach Tesco, Lotus, Extra, Central Festival and Floresta, Macro and all the local markets. The condominium I'm about to show you consists of about 3 buildings, and there's 617 units in total with 7 retail shops. There is a rooftop garden on building A. Room type is either a 1 or 2 bedroom, and the sizes consist of between 25 to 47 square metres. You've also got facilities downstairs such as the lobby. You've got the co-working space, which is a bonus for digital nomads or single parents or anyone really that wants to work downstairs. You don't have to have kids to be working downstairs, but it's an opportunity there. You can work from co-working space or just study or do whatever you want to do. Fitness centre, which is a bonus. You've got a swimming pool, rooftop garden, and of course the laundry room. Now, starting price here is 1.69 million baht, which don't forget you're in Phuket here. So yeah, that's a promotional price. Now, without further ado, I'll just show you the slideshow of the properties, and then give you a bit of a chat at the end of the slideshow. Here we go, folks. So as you can see, the building there is the outer of the building, and again the exterior of the building, the facade, which is quite beautiful, natural toned colours. You can see the exterior building there with the swimming pool, quite a large area there. Very family friendly, of course. Keep an eye on the kids if you have young toddlers, etc. And then you go into the internals, see the internals there, which brings the family room with the lounge. Fully furnished, by the way, these condos, and luxuriously appointed with quality finish, of course. And yeah, again you can see the finish there of the internals. As I say, it's 1 or 2 bedrooms available, and then you have your master bedroom suite with a large bed there, ample room, nice good sized window to let in the sunlight. Of course, it's always handy. Then you've got the again the family room area, dining again, and the gymnasium there. As I pointed out, it does come with a gymnasium, so all the equipment there to keep fit, keep healthy, have that morning exercise or afternoon or whenever it suits you in your lifestyle, depending on, of course, work patterns, etc. And then we can also see there the area in the condo, another area there which is fairly spacious. Looks like another bedroom there. You can turn it into an office if it's a 2 bedroom. And then we've got the kitchen there with the famous Smeg fridge kitchen with the induction cooktop. Got the microwave, nice appointed kitchen, cabinets, so plenty of room there, whether you're the cook at home, or you like to have your eat out, dine out, or order your grab and what have you. But yeah, fully appointed kitchen, very, very nice and quite spacious, quality fittings. And the last slide there you can see is the bathroom with the quality toilet and the shower, which is a good size, good quality toilet, vanity, and so forth. So yeah, there you have it, folks. Condominiums available, coming up for completion in 2025, ranging from 1 to 2 bedrooms. Prices start at 1.69 million baht, and in the area of KATHU, which is a beautiful area of Phuket. Now, ownership can be freehold or leasehold. These are fully furnished, selling fast. So yeah, if you're genuinely interested, I'll leave the details in the description, and yeah, follow the protocol there. Drop us an email. By the way, we do have, as well as English, the agents here through the developers, they do also have bilingual speakers. So we've got Hungarian, Romanian, Japanese, and of course Thai, naturally. So for anyone requiring interpreter service, that is available to you. Now, spin the camera around. Just want to say thanks to all the viewers, thanks to all the subscribers throughout the year, as we're getting to a close of the calendar in terms of Christmas coming up for those who celebrate Christmas. So yeah, thanks for all the likes, comments. Yeah, it is a small channel, but I enjoy what I do. I am a disabled pensioner, so this is a real hobby of mine. Keeps my brain ticking. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, comment, positive, and also if you have something that I could possibly improve on, and I am able to health-wise. A lot of the time I want to do things and I just can't. But yeah, I invite you to interact and drop us a comment, share, and if you see some value, hopefully, in all these vlogs, subscribe. It's 100% free. There's no cost to you. There's no obligation, and yeah, you won't be receiving any material from myself hounding you with any way whatsoever. But without further ado, I'll end the vlog there. So yeah, 1.69 million Thai baht condo, starting price in KATHU, Phuket. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next vlog. Cheers.